Good evening, you're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Amitabh Brevi. Let's go live and direct to Prakash Javadekar.
Maharashtra government holds a meeting with the members of parliament of the state. State government, chief minister holds a meeting with the all party MPs. All MPs from Maharashtra in both the houses. And they give the long list of pending proposals of what is pending with the central government's various departments and what should be followed by the state MPs with the central government. And many MPs write based on those notes also to the concerned department. After all, MPs' letters are not orders. They are a request letter on which the concerned ministry has to take a view whether that is acceptable demand or not, and they have to act according to the information and factual position. So, I see no issue in this. So, this is what has happened.
प्रकाश जी, the question is, पहले बार जब राज्यसभा का टिकट दिया गया तो पार्टी की पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी में सीनियर नेताओं ने इस पे सवाल खड़े किए थे।
नहीं, ये कहाँ से आ गया? See, I'm not taking question on this. You can ask 1 minute. Our various senior leaders come, you definitely talk to them. But I think I have taken.
No, this is a question on Mr. Gadkari and Mr. Sancheti's relationship, sir.
That when Mr. Kirit Somaiya and several BJP leaders raised the irrigation scam,
That I'll tell.
their first charge was that a project is taken at a certain low cost, and then the
That is not about Gosikul.
Can I just finish?
Huh.
And then the project costs are escalated to the point that they are higher than the highest bidder's cost. There is not even a single word of protest. The payments have been delayed primarily because of the poor quality of work carried out, pending investigations why the work has been delayed.
Let me tell you, you are mixing the facts. Yes, it is true that BJP has raised the voice against the irrigation scam of the NCP and Congress regime in Maharashtra state. And that is surrounding the new projects which were sanctioned. This is not about national projects, because national projects are the baby of the central government. So the whole issue is that of the state projects. So the state projects dams, the price got escalated to 300% in just span of 3 months. And that is what we are protesting against, and that is what against which our National Secretary Kirit Somaiya has done a PIL in the High Court, Mumbai High Court. So we are fighting that scam because those are the state projects which have been inflated, and there is a tremendous scam. What we are talking now is the national project called Gosikul. That is not the matter of escalated cost of Gosikul. That is not the controversy.
Is it convenient for you that a national project cost escalates from 400 crores
No.
to 1700 crores?
Over the no, but that is no.
Party, MPs, company is involved, and your party president is writing, please release the money.
They released to what? To the state government.
No, but this is the third time.
To the state government.
Controversy is risen about Mr. Gadkari and
I
Mr.
think I have answered you. It's a basic difference between the state projects and the national project. Nobody is saying that national project cost has increased in 3 months. It is over the period of 30 years. And we blame for that. But let us understand that the scam, irrigation scam, what is said, is all about the inflated cost in the span of 3 months on the eve of 2009 elections. So that is an entirely different thing. Please go to the website of Kirit Somaiya and see the public interest litigation which is now admitted in the Mumbai High Court.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. क्या हो गया?
जो चिट्ठी गडकरी जी ने लिखी बंसल साहब को, सेम वही की वही चिट्ठी आपने लिखी।
ये तो नहीं, ये लॉबिंग नहीं है। नो। यू विल फाइंड एनी टाइम कि भाई अध्यक्ष जी ने चिट्ठी लिखी है तो वो दूसरे सांसद भी लिखते हैं, उसमें कोई नहीं। मैं और हंसराज आहिर हम नागपुर में हर महीने जाते हैं। पिछले 2.5 साल से वहां जनता दरबार लगाते हैं। प्रेस के सारे कैमरे होते हैं, प्रेस के सारे लोग होते हैं, उनके सामने आकर लोग हमें मेमोरेंडम देते हैं। वो मेमोरेंडम हम उस मंत्रालय को भेजते हैं और वो भेजते हैं, उस पर कार्रवाई करना क्या उचित है उचित नहीं है ये देखकर कार्रवाई करना ये सरकार का काम होता है। हमारे पत्र कोई आदेश पत्र नहीं होते हैं।
प्रकाश जी, लेकिन आप महाराष्ट्र सांसद, आपका समझ में आता है कि आप महाराष्ट्र के बजट के बारे में लिखें, लेकिन गडकरी जो बीजेपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष है वो
नहीं, वो तो नागपुर से ही है, वो तो नागपुर से ही है, वो एक लोक प्रतिनिधि है, वो महाराष्ट्र विधान परिषद के आज भी सदस्य है। थैंक यू।
आपको टिक टैक नहीं, अरे टिक टैक सर।
Prakash Javadekar at a press conference asking questions that were raised exclusively by NDTV. His defense is that the Gosikord Dam was a national project and not a Maharashtra state project. But let's get you exactly what details we have of Nitin Gadkari's letter asking for contracts to be awarded in that dam project with Srinivasan Jain in Mumbai.
Right, thanks very much indeed, Amitabh. That's right, the BJP now finally coming out and forced to give an official reaction to the story broken on NDTV. First, on the letters written by Nitin Gadkari to Union Minister Pawan Bansal on the controversial Gosikot project. The interesting thing, though, is that Prakash Javadekar, who just had a press conference, has also written a letter on the same issue, and in fact, it is exactly the same letter as Nitin Gadkari has written. So you had two BJP leaders who wrote mysteriously exactly the same letters, worded word to word, verbatim, same, on the same issue of Gosikot, written to Union Minister Pawan Bansal. The letter of Nitin Gadkari that was sent in July of this year, and the letter of Prakash Javadekar, which I am holding here in my hand. I am not able to see a date, but it is exactly the same. So this clearly establishes the BJP's high level of interest in this one particular project. And that, to recap, is what we've been breaking through the morning, that this is a project in Vidarbha, a region of Maharashtra. It is, as Mr. Javadekar said, a national project, started almost 2 decades ago with a budget of 400 crores. Now that budget has gone to almost 20,000 crores, and because of the huge irregularities associated with it, the BJP had called it a scam, and the centre had stopped releasing funds to it. But now Mr. Gadkari has come out very clearly and says that the funds for this project should be released, and that the contractors who are owed 400 crore rupees should be paid. And who are the contractors? We can put that up on the screen for you. One of them is Ajay Sancheti, who is the BJP Rajya Sabha MP, and the other is Hitesh Bagria, who is also a member of the BJP. He's a member of the Legislative Council. So while Prakash Javadekar may argue that Mr. Gadkari is actually interested in water for Vidarbha and that he's interested for water for Vidarbha, what those in the opposition are questioning and saying is that is he really batting for these contractors? We tried to speak to Mr. Gadkari a short while ago in Mumbai, and he refused to answer direct questions on this issue.
Nitin ji, you written to the centre, Nitin sir, you written to the centre for 400 crores, sir. Nitin sir, you have written to the centre for 400 crores for Gosikot, sir. Nitin sir, Nitin ji, you've written to the centre for...
And we'll try and get you reactions from the BJP press conference in just a second. But let's play for you once again what Union Water Resources Minister Pawan Bansal told NDTV's Sunil Prabhu this morning, confirming the receipt of multiple letters from Mr. Gadkari on this project.
I'm joined by the Water Resource Minister, Mr. Pawan Kumar Bansal, who got a letter from Mr. Nitin Gadkari on the 30th of July, asking him to expedite the process of giving money to a particular dam in Maharashtra. Can you tell us exactly what Mr. Nitin Gadkari wrote?
Well, I don't remember the date of the letter and I don't remember exactly what he wrote, but I do receive letters, and I do remember that there was a letter from, or maybe even more than one letters from him as well on this matter, asking us to expedite the project, and that's a normal thing which I find actually.
And are you aware that in this, because in the present controversy, as you've seen between the Congress and the NCP and about the irrigation projects, why was a VVIP specifically asking for one project while his own party was, against most of saying that there is a scam in the irrigation sector?
So this is a question which you should address to Mr. Gadkari, not to me. He, as the president, has written to me, as I said, not one letter, but perhaps more than one, perhaps more than two. Two, perhaps I remember there were 2 letters. The dates I won't remember offhand, though those would be in our files here. And we treat those as VIP references, and we do try to follow up and some action on those. If somebody writes to us,
it is alleged about Mr. Gadkari and Sanchetti's links.
No,
could you? But is in this case, is it clear that Ajay Sanchetti had a
how can I say? I am not even aware as to who is the real contractor. I'm not even aware of that, and that's not for me to really know. That's not my business. If we deal with the state government.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.